right, so let's make chocolate sauce with ingredients that you already have. We are going to start with a cup of sugar and half a cup of Dutch processed cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 cup of water. Then we are going to whisk it gently until combined. What's great about this, it has no high fructose corn syrup like the ones they sell at the store. And you can use it for so many purposes. It lasts for like 3 months in the fridge. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take this over to the stove. All right, we are gonna set our heat to medium, and we are gonna stir it as it comes to a boil. All right, so now it's boiling. We're gonna go ahead and let it boil for 3 minutes. All right, you wanna keep stirring so it doesn't boil over. Now that it's been 3 minutes, we're gonna take it off the heat and allow it to cool for a few minutes before adding the vanilla. All right, so now we'll add the vanilla now that it's cooled down a little bit. And then we're gonna let it cool down to room temp before we store it in the fridge. All right, so here is the finished syrup. Nice consistency. It's just like a Hershey's chocolate syrup or Ghirardelli syrup, since that's the kind of cocoa powder that we use. So for the milk, we're just gonna add like a teaspoon or so, depending on how much chocolate you like. We like more. All right, now it's truly chocolate. Delicious. All right, so let's add some to the ice cream. And that is what it looks like. Add our sprinkles. And there we have it. Hershey's chocolate syrup from scratch.